The intro.
Alright, so we're about to put on this new short shifter from a GT3 because the one in the Cayman sucks. Does it suck?
Yeah.
It's pretty loose. I'll get some footage of it while it's just not good. So we're gonna give this a shot. It should take about an hour. Because I should talk to the camera. It'll take about an hour to do this. So wish us luck. The other side. Okay. So shifter looks like that. A lot of play in it because they use plastic bushings. Go. Well, let's play. So the goal is to have it like this. And again, I think that's just because it uses plastic bushings. The new one replaces it with metal bushings. Come up. Okay.
I got my finger under it, but it just. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Woo! Scary.
I thought that was a hole. I was like, damn. Familiar territory. I'm like trying to put my glasses on.
So we have to go to Home Depot because we don't have the tool we need. Sucks. But like we are far away from each other, and this is like a cockpit. Shows you how tight the Cayman is. We may have to sit here because Chow's is way over here. There he is. Yo. Hello.
Hey, are you coming down here or am I coming up there?
We're coming down right now.
Oh, okay. I was wondering. I was like, huh.
No, we're waiting.
I didn't miss anything.
Yeah, we were waiting on you, but it worked out, so. They can definitely hear the downshift, right? Right, for real.
Well, it really wasn't a lot.
Right.
He was like, Mason, wait, don't do it, please. Then as it gets more grip, it gives you more power. Like, it knows that it's getting more grip.
Yeah, that German traction control is what's up.
But surprisingly, the Juke kind of does that because I think it just pulls back boost versus taking.
Yeah, because I mean that 1.8 liter, is that 1.8?
1.6.
1.6 is not putting out that much torque, so if you just dial back the boost, and like
it gives me a cool little backfire too every time. But the other guy in the Juke joint said that his spits flames every now and then. Now that he pushes 22.
How much boost you pushing?
20.
push it out with this.
You can push it out
To the bottom. So we run to the store to find out that we had the tool that we needed after we purchased the tool. So we're gonna return that. But back to work. The problem is, you can't get it out, bro?
No. You're gonna have to do that.
So the problem is trying to get it to the screw right there. Like, it's buried, which is stupid. So we have to twist it up.
What about this?
We need more bend? How much?
Yeah. I mean, I can go more. I just don't want to do.
Well, that was fun.
It's crazy.
Forgot about that. You can see how they both have, it's the same, but one has metal bushings, the other one has plastic, which sucks real bad. Can't get the focus. When you found out the previous owner broke something, kind of ingenious. He used paper or tape to hold it on there, so I'm going to do the same thing. Yeah, that looks so much better. That's solid. Not all limp-wristed like earlier. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, all that stuff. And we'll talk to you later.